All right, y'all. So we are on a farm tour today. Yeah,
We got a little friend with us.
yeah. Say hi, Majesty. And Blake is like somewhere. Oh, there he go. He always catches up. Yeah. Right now we're going through looking at the different crops, talking about the business side of farming, which can get very, very complicated, especially if you're a beginning farmer like me. I just have a backyard garden, but eventually I do want to grow and expand Mama Mantras, which will be like a single moms co-op, farm to table situation. So yeah, I think that this is very beneficial. The guy leading the tour is very informational. He has like a wealth of knowledge. He's been farming for like over a decade. So yeah, a lot of good information. I'm excited.